हेलो गाइस। सो बहुत दिनों के बाद ब्लॉग बना रही हूँ बिकॉज समथिंग स्पेशल इज़ हैपनिंग टुडे आई एम एक्चुअली ट्रैवलिंग टू सम प्लेस वेयर आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गो and I was following this particular page on Instagram since I think 6 months now, and even I had asked them that like how can I volunteer and all. I will definitely share the details, just I want to keep some suspense here, so I'm not sharing right away. But yeah, today like at 1 a.m or something I will be leaving, and tomorrow I think 6 to 7 a.m I will reach there. So let's go. Hello guys, so it's 5 a.m and we had actually miss I have joined with two guys who were there from our group. So it's 5 a.m, the road is terrible, miss it's like it's worst. We are right now on Mumbai Goa highway, and it's very bad, like the condition of the road is so bad. Because of that, there are no proper diversions, there is no proper facility to or authority to actually guide the drivers, and drivers are just like driving like anything, and there is no rules, no nothing, like it's pretty terrible. Means like we have left from Panvel I think 1:30 or something, and now it's 5 still I am here in Indapur. So from 1:30 to 5 it's almost 4 hours, and still I'm just stuck here. And because of the long weekend, the crowd is huge. It's bad. Oh god. So guys, so finally we are here. I am right now in Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, or each year they do this census for the animals, or this time I was actually following their page as well on Instagram. So I opted for the this particular registration, and I got chosen as well. So अभी मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. There are so many people also. Everything is getting registered right now. फिर बाद में हमें जो भी directions and all they will be giving, and after that we will go into the jungle. तो ऐसा है कि on Buddha Purnima, because of the full moon, it's the brightest moon in the whole year. So on this particular time, every tiger reserve or every animal reserve for that matter, they do this census for animals, because animals are active in the night, or because of this brightest moon it's easy to spot them. So अभी उन्होंने टाइगर रिजर्व, मतलब जो सह्याद्री का टाइगर रिजर्व है, आई गॉट टू नो दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ताड़ोबा का तो मुझे पता था, बहुत कि होता है मचान सेंसस, बट सह्याद्री टाइगर रिजर्व का अभी मुझे पता चला इस दिस ईयर. सो दैट्स आई चोज टू कम हियर, and hopefully it will be good. Obvious we will be going into the jungle, so it's going to be challenging, but let's see. These people are there to guide us, so yeah. We have been waiting since morning. No one is there, no one is coming. they said actually that we will be going by 5 or something. Now it's almost 5:30. Now they are saying the lady who is supposed to come with us is coming by 6. So whose fault is this? Miss, why we are wasting our time, money, and efforts? Why I came all the way from Mumbai to here? Miss, this is not worth it at all. I don't know how my experience will be on the Machan and all, but right now, experiencing this, I'm saying it's not worth it at all. If I just could go back, I would change my decision and not come back here. It's worthless. Do better, guys. Finally, we had to complain about all these things, and then we got to know that okay, the guide will come and take us. Finally, at 5:30 p.m., we got to hop on the jeep, and then we left for the jungle. The forest was beautiful. We were in the like deepest part of the jungle, and it was so beautiful, peaceful. There was no network, nothing. The thing about forest is that we cannot actually upload videos or photos showing inner parts of the jungle. So I'm not able to put it up here, but if you want to actually experience this kind of thing in forest, you definitely can go for some other sanctuary. Hello guys, cut to after I think 1 week or maybe 10 days I'm shooting this video. I actually got positive tested for dengue, and I was getting treatment and everything. It was so bad that I just came back from this Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, and somehow my body actually pushed through it, that I am alive today, because I have done a proper 1 hour of trek, and I managed to come back with the high fever, with the headache, like anything, and it was so bad. I can't even explain it now. Maybe I will actually make a proper video about this experience. But in this vlog, I just wanted to end my vlog properly after maybe after 8 or 10 days I'm shooting this, that I'm back home. I'm recovering. Everything is swollen up right now. My hand and everything is like I'm just like needle. I have just been needled everywhere on my hands, so it's pretty bad. And yeah, right now I'm just trying to get back to my normal routine. I had taken leaves from the office for last week. Even Akshay was on leave. Babies were with my sister, and everything was so much of mess. I will definitely make a detailed video about it. But today I am back at home. I am working. I am trying to survive all this. I'm still recovering. My medication is going on. Because of the medication, I am just like feeling sleepy every time. I'm feeling dizzy, and yeah, life is happening. So bye. We will meet you soon. I will meet you soon in my next video, explaining my experience in Sahyadri Tiger Reserve. So stay tuned for that. Bye.